Hello dear learner, I am happy to extend a warm welcome to you to this online course under the MOOC. I hope that you are aware about the MOOC, the course which you will be learning through its online platform is the Plant Pathology and Soil Health. The course aims to provide students with theoretical and practical knowledge of chemical and biological aspects of the soil plant system. It includes the study of agrochemicals. They are highly toxic and have been associated with serious human health and environmental damages. This course will cover general agricultural pesticide worker responsibilities and general agricultural pest identification and control. At the end of this course, I am sure that you will acquire a good amount of knowledge about the common names of plant diseases often reflect the types of symptoms they cause. You can easily identify the symptoms. They may be able to successfully take steps to limit the disease. So, dear learner, I once again welcome you to this course program and I hope that through this program you will gain sufficient knowledge on the plant pathogen which interact with the host and the pest management. Thank you.